Growing up as a teenager, I didn't have proper dental care, and that led to some teeth decay, gum disease. It progressed to extraction and denture until I had a full upper denture. After a while, it got discolored, and my appearance, I wasn't quite happy with that appearance. So spoke to my dentist, my regular dentist, and he said, so there's a lot of new stuff on the market now, especially in the dental field. And so he recommended me to Dr. Meriam. So go over there and have a chat with him and take it from there.
Kampton was referred to me about a year ago because he had been wearing a complete upper denture that was pretty loose. After multiple adjustments, he just decided that this wasn't something that was functional for him. It was important for him with his job that he had something that was predictable to avoid embarrassing moments, and also he wanted to eat and have better function. So he was referred to me to replace the upper jaw with multiple dental implants in a teeth in a day procedure. Placed 6 dental implants. And in conjunction with our lab tech and restorative dentist, we converted a denture into a provisional or temporary prosthetic, so he was able to walk out with a screwed down temporary, and about 4 months later he received his final restorations and was ecstatic.
Words cannot say how much gratitude I have for this doctor and his staff and the office. From when I walked in here day one, they treat me with respect. They welcomed me, and they were happy to help me. All in all, I am quite happy. You could look at my teeth now, and I am quite happy.
About 6 months later at this point, and he's eating, he's smiling, he's traveling, he's super happy, and it was a very fulfilling case for both him and the restorative and surgical teams.